You've heard it a million times, but it bears repeating. Even the strongest relationships face challenges. Building a happy, healthy partnership takes work and may not always be easy, especially when there's been a breach of trust. Anytime trust is broken, there's going to be a rift in the relationship. It might be painful to face, but leaving these issues unaddressed won't help anyone in the long run. Take full responsibility if you're at fault. If there has been infidelity or trust has been broken, it's important to take full responsibility for what happened and be understanding of how your behavior hurt your partner. Avoid becoming defensive or sidestepping your mistake. But don't fall into self-loathing either. Extend compassion and care to the person you hurt. If you've hurt your partner, it's easy to fall into a spiral of shame and disappointment in yourself. But that's not going to help either of you. Rather than spend all your time beating yourself up over what you did wrong, try shifting that energy towards showing care and compassion to your partner. Give your partner the opportunity to win your trust back. While you have every right to feel hurt and angry, there should be a desire to work on the relationship. Trust can never be restored until the person whose trust was broken allows their partner a chance to earn it back. Crouchar affirms. Manage expectations. Have a discussion with your partner about your exclusiveness and commitment to each other. What does this look like for each of you? What are you comfortable and uncomfortable with? Being honest and upfront about your expectations from the beginning can prevent things from going wrong down the road. Learn to compromise. All relationships require give and take. When you're living in close quarters, being accommodating of their needs and preferences without sacrificing your own can help foster more happiness and fulfillment. Consider working out some kind of temporary agreement that allows each of you to unwind at home alone. For example, maybe you stay a little later at the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while they hang out with a friend on Mondays and Wednesdays.